Welcome to our first achievement assembly of the spring term. We've got so many children and young people to celebrate with some incredible achievements. But we also need to say a big well done to all of the pupils at Sherbourne for settling in so well this term. Many of our pupils have amazed us with their resilience over the last few weeks, and those pupils that have been attempting our new climbing wall have been really impressive. They've been attempting to conquer it, and they need a special mention because they have wowed us with their positivity and with their resilience and with their determined attitude. So without further ado, let's sit back and let's enjoy some of those achievements. Let's start off in yellow class and say a massive congratulations to Jayden. Jayden's been trying really hard with his signing and he's starting to copy some familiar signs. Well done, Jayden. Our next incredible young person is Destiny. Destiny has continued to blossom and she's showing her new inner confidence and determination, which has been an absolute delight to see. There are so many reasons why Destiny has got a Head Teacher's Award. These include her ability to swing lengths of the pool using a rubber ring, taking purposeful steps, reaching out and touching some different objects and materials, also tolerating a hand massage for over 15 seconds. Destiny is also beginning to respond to questions by shaking her head no or blinking to signal yes. Well done, Destiny. Congratulations on your Head Teacher's Award. We're now in red class and we're going to say a big congratulations to you, Rayan. Not only have you been ordering numbers 1 to 5, but you've started ordering and even saying numbers 1 to 10. Absolutely fantastic. Well done, Rayan. We're now in orange class and we say congratulations to you, Jake. Jake is beginning to express his needs through symbols and communication boards, as well as beginning to sign please and thank you. Jake has also verbally expressed when he has needed the toilet and is beginning to try to verbalize key words during his lessons. Everyone is really proud of you, Jake. Well done. So next up, we say well done to you, Annalise, in white class. Annalise is now settled in so well to white class. She's joining in with entire lessons, engaging with all activities, making confident choices and just showing everyone her beautiful character. Annalise, you've been described as an absolute joy. Well done, Annalise. The next incredible person to receive a Head Teacher's Award is Isaac in pink class. Isaac, you're going to receive this award for the progress you've made using your rolly when arriving at school. We are also proud of your achievements, Isaac, so a massive well done from everyone at Sherbourne. Now it's time to say congratulations to someone in green class, and it's you, Emily. Emily, you have adapted to your class's outdoor curriculum fantastically. You've been demonstrating curiosity, willingness to learn, and you've been displaying a really positive attitude towards everything that you've faced. You simply have been just amazing. Well done, Emily. We now want to move into purple class and say congratulations to another Emily. This time we want to say well done to Emily for trying really hard in all of her lessons. You've been independently following instructions in English to make a paper plate fish and chocolate brownies. Well done, Emily. We are all really proud of you. So my final Head Teacher's Award in primary goes to Aisha in grey class. Aisha, you've got the Head Teacher's Award for being so brave during your hospital visits and for coming back to school with a huge smile on your face and being determined to carry on with your work and your learning. You've continued to show progress in developing your CVC words and your writing skills during all lessons. So well done, Aisha. We're so proud of you. So now it's time to go into secondary and celebrate some of our amazing secondary children. So first off, it's Harvey in 3L. Harvey, you're receiving a Head Teacher's Award for your continued hard work across the curriculum. Harvey, you've grown in confidence when communicating with staff and pupils for a variety of purposes. You've also shown fantastic resilience, adapting to your new standing frame. Well done, Harvey. We're really proud of you. We're now saying a big congratulations to Freya in 3MB. Freya has settled in so incredibly well since she began here at Sherbourne in September. Her work is always produced to the highest possible standard and her imagination is fantastic. But it's socially where Freya has also impressed us. She has been brave and made herself new friendship groups, and she loves to play with them and initiates group games on the playground. So well done, Freya. You really are a superstar. Now it's time to say congratulations to Rayan in 3T. Rayan, you've been doing so well, blending words independently, taking more of an active role with your reading and trying your best in every lesson. You've followed instructions from adults in the class on how to blend sounds together when reading, and you've moved up a reading band due to this. So well done, Rayan. Congratulations on all of that progress. Now it's time for me to say congratulations to Alfie in 3E. Alfie, you have shown enthusiasm with the new topic on 3D shapes in maths, and you have shown great resilience when turn taking with peers. So well done, Alfie. We really are so proud of you. A Head Teacher's Award is now on its way to Gurpreet in 3S. And Gurpreet, this award is for fantastic improvement in your attitude towards swimming. You've been getting changed and entering the pool really quietly and improving your water confidence when in the pool. So well done, Gurpreet. We're now going to 3C and saying congratulations to you, Jafar. Jafar, you've been awarded the Head Teacher's Certificate for fantastic listening skills and following instructions, working on your moral development in outside learning. You went litter picking and picked up all of the litter around the pod and the Key Stage 4 and 5 playground. You were listening to staff, following instructions beautifully, and you're a great role model to the other students. Amazing work. Well done.
So, cherry, beat. Let's try this pattern, Leon. Ready? Cherry, beat. Cherry, beat. How about with the buttons? So, cherry, beat. Leon, you're a superstar. Cherry, beat. You smashed.
It's now time to say congratulations to the amazing Leon in 3LS. Leon, you've been making a fantastic contribution in all lessons this term. Your resilience in coping with the many changes you've had have just been incredible. You're always excited to work and contribute, whether it's in a one-to-one setting or in group activities. So congratulations, Leon. My next Head Teacher's Award goes to you, Maimoona, in 3JF. Maimoona, you've been making so much progress with your maths. You always work hard in lessons and especially enjoy having a bit of competition and earning points for your team. You really excelled with the speed number bonds competition on the interactive whiteboard, blowing the staff away with how quickly and accurately you answer the questions. Well done, Maimoona. You really are a superstar. We're now going to say congratulations to Matthew in 3-4R. Matthew, you have engaged brilliantly with the animals in school for the science project you've been doing, especially the chickens, the rabbits, and Bear the dog, which you kept hugging and kissing. Not only this, Matthew, you've been exploring the deep end of the pool independently in swimming for the first time, so you really have had a brilliant term. Well done, Matthew. Congratulations now goes to Dontae in 3-4A. Dontae, you've been working really hard at feeding yourself as independently as possible. You're now taking a loaded spoon from a bowl and bringing it up to your mouth with no assistance. Well done, Dontae. Now it's time to celebrate Ibrahim in 3-4K. Ibrahim, you've started to really engage with your lessons. You've started to explore and take a real interest in the activities and the resources during the day. You've also made a massive improvement with your communication and started to initiate conversations with your peers and people around you. Well done, Ibi. I now want to say a huge congratulations to Shajahan in 4P. Shajahan, you have worked independently with excellent focus in all of your lessons this month. Typically in art, you've asked good questions that reinforce your understanding of the task. Not only that, Shajahan, you're helpful to your classmates with ideas and practical support to improve their work. But you've also helped our new art teacher, Paul, settle really well in to the class form routines. Shajahan, you lead group work with care and understanding of everyone's unique abilities and personal goals. So a massive congratulations goes to you, Shajahan. A big well done. We're now saying a big congratulations to Jensen in 4Z. Jensen, you're getting this award because you're organised, you listen carefully to instructions, you make sure you're doing the right thing, and as well as that, you're an enthusiastic learner. Your approach to learning is so positive and you listen to advice given to you about improving your work during lessons. You've also been improving your independence by learning about road safety and how to keep yourself safe when out in the wider community. Jensen, we really are very, very proud of you. Well done. Next up, it's a big congratulations to you, Josh, in 5MH. Josh, you have shown a massive improvement in your handwriting. You have been working so very hard and you really deserve to get a Head Teacher's Award for all of that effort and all of that improvement. So well done, Josh. So my next Head Teacher's Award, which makes me really proud, is for you, Joshua, in 5J. Joshua, you're getting this Head Teacher's Award for having the courage to attempt to read a short passage out loud in your group reading sessions. This is a massive step for you, Joshua, and we are all very, very proud of your achievement. Well done. Now it's time to say congratulations to Chloe in 5S. Chloe's getting a Head Teacher's Award for her much improved handwriting when writing out her spelling sentences. Chloe, you really have been working so hard and all that hard work is paying off. So congratulations to you. So finally in Key Stage 5, we say congratulations to Daniel in 5MG. Daniel, you're getting this award for being a great role model to your peers. You were always the first to offer to do something in class, whether that be wipe down tables at the end of the day, stack chairs, or just help anybody that needs it. You were always on hand. So we want to say congratulations, Daniel, and thank you for that. Well done. So a final well done to all of our pupils that received a Head Teacher's Award today. You really have made us so proud. And a massive thank you to all of our staff once again for their continued hard work and commitment. So that's all for now. Time to celebrate.